If you're looking for ways to save money while shopping online, Giving Assistant is one of the cashback platforms that might have caught your eye. It promises users the ability to earn cashback when they shop through partnered retailers. But does it actually work as advertised? In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience with the platform, its features, and whether it's really worth your time. Starting with the basics, Giving Assistant works by offering cashback from various online retailers. The idea is simple. You shop through their portal, make a purchase, and earn a percentage of your money back. The appeal is clear, but how well does it deliver? Upon signing up, the process was straightforward. The website has a clean interface, making it easy to search for partnered stores. However, one thing I immediately noticed is that the cashback rates vary significantly depending on the retailer. Some stores offer as little as 1% back, while others go up to 10% or more. A major selling point of Giving Assistant is that it allows you to donate a portion of your cashback earnings to charities. While this is a great feature for those who want to give back while shopping, the platform automatically enrolls you in donating a percentage unless you adjust the settings. This means you might not be getting the full amount of cashback unless you opt out, which isn't immediately obvious to new users. Now, let's talk about payouts. The platform supports PayPal and direct deposits, which is convenient. However, one downside I encountered is that cashback processing times can be slow. Unlike some competitors that pay out within a few days, Giving Assistant can take weeks for cashback to appear as available funds. This delay is something to consider if you need quick access to your earnings. Another thing I tested was their browser extension. It's designed to notify you of cashback opportunities while shopping, which is helpful. However, I found that it doesn't always track purchases correctly, meaning you may need to manually request missing cashback. This can be frustrating, especially if you expect your earnings to accumulate automatically. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the biggest concerns with cashback sites is whether they actually pay out. Based on my research and personal experience, Giving Assistant does pay users, but there are mixed reviews about reliability. Some users report missing cashback and delayed payments, which can be a drawback if you're relying on those savings. Compared to competitors, like Rakuten or Top Cashback, the rates on Giving Assistant are sometimes lower, which means you might not always be getting the best deal. The site does offer promotions and bonus cashback opportunities, but they aren't as frequent as some other platforms. If you're a frequent online shopper, it may be worth using, but I'd recommend comparing rates with other cashback sites before making a purchase. So, is Giving Assistant worth it? If you're looking for a simple way to earn cashback and don't mind waiting for payouts, it can be a decent option. However, if speed and higher cashback rates are your priorities, you might want to check out alternatives. The charitable donation feature is a nice touch, but the automatic opt-in can be a bit misleading. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on money-saving tools and cashback platforms.